Here we find Michael, and I'm feeding the baby bird where my mom is. This is Kiwi. This is Kiwi, and this is Pee-wee. Whoa. Calm down, Pee-wee. This one eats very slow. So I can send a comment saying which bird is your favorite. And there we have Skittles. And is that the only one? We have Skittles in there. He's green. We have Pee-wee. And then Jelly Bean and Starburst. Starburst is that one. Oh no. I can't tell them apart besides.
Look at all my scratches, man.
Next.
Don't record me and put it on YouTube. I'll put your secret little book on there. Maddie, Madison. 5, 4, 3, 2. Maddie. Okay, let it come on here. Madison. You're not going to be allowed if you can't stop. Over here.
Okay. I had a bit of trouble getting a bird.
I did.
I'm the one that got it out for you.
No, because I wanted to get it.
Is your hand close?
Oh!
Huh? You got all that grain.
Don't move.
Stop. It's like you threw up on me.
How you go?
No.
Put dice right there to block it.
It blocks. Blocks.
That's the little spoon. You'll be charged probably $200 for it.
Starburst? I bet there was a Pee-wee still.
Pee-wee's in there, man.
I'll be right back, everybody. And I am back. Oh, why am I looking at the cocktail's case? I should be looking over here. Pose.
Hi.
You scared the poop out of Starburst. Oh! Starburst! You got food all over my shirt. You got a runner. Hey, don't.
You're going to have to hold on.
Good boy, you boy.
It's wonderful.
I'm calling him a good boy.
Remember, tap is right there, Maddie. Never know. Yeah, we do.
Hose pain. Yep.
Is it all good size?
Yep, it has like a giant beard. Can you let him out?
Yeah, that's hurtful, huh? Not for her. Not he won't try to, but he'll end up hurting him. Okay. Go get him in. Whatever has you up my face. Getting hurt, guys. We're gonna have to go back in the cage. Okay. Here comes Champ, so make sure they don't get out. Anyways. Yeah. Okay, Mandy, shut that door.